Hi everyone, so I'm on the test review and I'm looking at how to find the inverse of a exponential function. It is important to know that the inverse of an exponential is a log, and because this exponential involves the number e, it's actually going to be the natural log. So we know that our final expression should be a natural log if I'm finding the inverse. So remember, the notation for inverse is inverse of x would look like that. So that's what my final answer is going to be written in. All right, so how do we find an inverse equation? Well, first, remember this is y, and we're going to switch the x's and the y's and solve for y. So I'm going to rewrite this as x equals 3e to the y plus 1 minus 5. Okay, so I have to solve for y. So I have to isolate e to the y plus 1. I have to isolate the y. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That's going to give me x plus 5 equals 3e to the y plus 1. I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides, giving me x plus 5 over 3 equals e to the y plus 1. Okay, so now to undo e, to undo that exponent that's the y, and e, we're going to take the log of both sides, but since it's e, we have to use the natural log, so ln, the natural log of both sides. Log natural. All right. Okay, so now I have ln x plus 5 over 3. That's my argument. Equals, now remember we bring the y plus 1 to the front, and that would be times ln e, which is 1. So it's just going to be equal to y plus 1. All right, so I'm almost done. Now I've got ln x plus 5 over 3, and I subtract 1. So minus 1 equals y. All right, so my final answer would be an inverse equation, or inverse function. The inverse of x equals ln x plus 5 over 3 minus 1. Make sure that negative 1 is not part of the argument. Okay, and there we go. Hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.